So winter's almost here, and I was trying to make my TV room a little bit more cozy, and so I got this little space heater fireplace, and it is so cute, and it just really is a nice little addition to the room. I'm going to show you how it works and everything in just a second. First thing I want to show you is when you do order it, or if you order it, you have to screw the feet on. So if you just look under there, there's those 2 black screws on either side of the foot. You got to do those on each of the 4 feet. And so 8 screws to put in. Other than that, it comes fully assembled. And then for how it works, we just come over here and we have these 3 switches here. And basically this is the switch for the, they're independent. So this is the switch for the flame. So we can have the flame on, and it's not actually heating, it's just giving us the look of the flame. If we just want this for the aesthetics, but we don't actually need the heat, we can just do that. Or we can turn the heat on. So we have this one dash is 700 watts, and this, if we do this, this is 1400 watts of heat. So we can control, but you see that you can hear it blowing the heat, but the fire effect is not on. And then finally, if you want the fire effect and the heat, we just have all the switches on, and now we have the fireplace blowing out the heat, plus the fireplace effect, which is really just so cozy down here. Makes this room so much more cozy. So if you're interested in this fireplace, I will put a link below.